So these are the numericals. There are numericals to be studied on the national income, and there are some formulas which we are viewing it on screen. So
Yeah.
as per the notes and the examination pattern, we have to solve formulas on operating surplus, net domestic product at market price, gross national product at market price, net national product at market price. And we have to use income method and expenditure method, right? So all of these problems to solve. So are there any examples of numericals given in the problems in the notes?
Yeah. We have done a lot of numericals. We have done
Okay.
25 numericals.
So 25 problems. So we have not solved it in the national income chapter. So we'll now just go through the formulas and which we will use it to solve. So is
Yeah.
it
These are
similar?
just the formulas, right?
Yeah, these are the formulas and some
Yeah.
explanations also are given. So is it the same as the notes? You can just verify
Yes,
it.
yes, yes.
Too.
Yeah, yeah. This is the same as.
Okay. Came back. Sorry for the delay.
Yeah.
So last in the previous session, we just mentioned that some of the numericals to be solved using we need to use NDP using at market price using expenditure method, right? And we have to find operating surplus and compensation of employees as well
Hmm.
in the province. So
Yeah.
is the formula similar to the notes?
They're the same.
There is gross national product at factor cost, which is
Yeah.
GDP FC at plus net factor income from abroad. And it's
Yeah. Is this downloaded from somewhere?
yeah, this material has been downloaded from Aligarh Muslim University.
Can you just send it to me?
Yeah, this material will be sent. This is the material for graduation, for undergraduation.
Samena, can you just also can you send me all the PPTs in like
Yeah, that will be
one
sent
email?
in one email. I'll just
Yeah, thank
organize
you.
all these emails. It
Yeah.
has been sent.
Yeah, but they're not in order, so I have to keep
Yeah,
looking at it every once. Can you just
okay.
send all at once if
So
you
that
can?
will be in a thread.
Yeah.
So this is a nominal GDP, which is Q into P, and are there problems on real GDP as well?
The real GDP is GDP at MP, right?
GDP at constant prices.
No, I don't think there's anything such as constant prices. It's GDP at MP.
So
That's
there
all.
is some extra information. Is there intermediate consumption as well? Which is
No, no, no.
yeah.
Intermediate consumption and all.
This is very a definite and a clear explanation for all the three methods of calculating national income is given. So there is a definition of operating surplus here as well. It refers to income from property and entrepreneurship. It includes rent, interest, and profit. Profit is further split into components as under dividends, which is the part of profit which is distributed among shareholders. It's also called distributed profit. So, are these relevant to the syllabus?
Operating surplus, yes.
Okay.
Compensation of employees, yes. Can you keep scrolling? Mixed income, we have nothing. We don't have anything called mixed income.
Okay, then we can let it go. And do we have
Yeah,
NNP at
NNP,
factor cost?
yes. NDP at factor cost. We
Okay.
have all that.
So there are some
I
precautions.
think from the above formulas,
Yeah.
like on the first two pages, I think most of those formulas were there. That's all.
So these formulas. So we have net domestic product at market
NDP at
price.
MP, GNP at MP, GDP at FC, NNP at MP,
NDP at
NDP at FC,
okay. And there
GNP
is
at FC,
this GDP
GDP
at
at
factor cost. Yeah.
yeah,
GNP at factor cost and there's net national product at factor cost as well. So all the 8 formulas are relevant, right?
yeah.
Okay. This is just a simpler explanation for the gross factor, where in gross we have to subtract depreciation, and in net, do we have to include depreciation in gross?
Yeah. And in
Yeah.
net you subtract this
Yeah, in net we
depreciation.
subtract. Is it disturbing because the noise outside?
No, I
Okay.
can't hear much noise in your side. You mean my
Okay.
side, is it?
No, in the Mysore.
No, I can't hear anything.
Sure, because there are a lot of buses flying on this road.
Oh, oh no, I can't. Actually,
Okay.
my accounts tutor keeps telling me to change where I sit uh, because behind my room also it's the road, na? So
Yeah, yeah,
many
yeah.
people honk me. No, nothing.
Yeah. So these are relevant, right?
Yeah,
So the 8
these are
formulas are relevant. And is this relevant as well? Real GDP at constant prices?
no.
Okay. And GDP deflator is not there. It's a graduation concept. So you don't need to know it now. So
Yeah,
there's methods of calculating national income. Yeah, these are very much relevant because value added method is the value of output minus intermediate consumption. So intermediate
yeah.
consumption is also there in the notes, right?
Hmm.
Okay. And is there problem of double counting in national income as well? Is it there? Have you heard of it?
Yes. Yes, I've heard
Okay.
of it.
Okay, then we can solve this as well. And is there income method? Yeah. There's operating surplus. There's no mixed income, so we'll just remove that. And the precautions. So yesterday we had a problem in the sample question paper where we had to the first on the in the MCQs, it is the 6th question, yeah, which is included in the calculation of national income.
Hmm. Yeah.
So the answer was transfer earnings, right? The
Now
explanation for that, yeah,
I don't remember. We had gone for shares and bonds, I think.
okay. So yeah, we had gone for shares and bonds. So that is the right answer. Can you? It's the 4th point in the precautions of the national
Hmm.
income. Yeah. See, brokerage on sale, purchase of shares and bonds is to be included in national income. So that is the
Yeah.
right answer. So option C is the right answer. Transfer earnings are not to be included in national income. So they might be MCQs asked from this precaution. So we'll go through it in detail. And this expenditure method also. It is. Are there classification of final expenditure also? Is this relevant?
Classes.
Yeah, is
No.
there private final consumption expenditure and government fund?
No, all this no.
But there is a formula, right? Where C plus I plus C plus G plus I plus net
T plus
X.
I plus G plus X minus M.
Yeah, it's net X. So there
Yeah.
are precautions on what are to be included in expenditure method also. So this is the flow chart which is estimated for the national income. So is this relevant?
Yeah.
That comes to the end of this small write-up on national income. So using the formulas, we can solve many problems, right? I have not gone through any numericals from the textbook, but what kind of numericals are they given in the notes?
Very basic. Very
It's very
basic.
basic. Okay.
Yeah. It's pretty easy. I'll
So we will be able, if you know the formula, it's enough to solve the problems, right?
yeah, yeah. So knowing this formula is more than enough.
Okay. So do we have to solve any problems? Like,
I don't think so. I'll solve them on my own, and I won't do it today. I'll solve
okay,
problems. I think tomorrow evening. So
sure.
if I have any doubts, I'll come to you with the doubts of the numericals on Thursday.
Yeah, Thursday is fine.
Yeah. No, like we'll have class tomorrow, but any doubts for the numericals, I'll come to you on Thursday. Yeah.
Sure. So what do we solve in the next session? I'll be sending this material and the PowerPoint presentation soon after this
I would
session.
like to go just revise chapter 12,
Okay, what is chapter 12? It is aggregate supply. So,
producers equilibrium.
okay, yeah, produces equilibrium. That's the
No, no,
microeconomic
no.
concept.
Producers equilibrium is chapter 10. Uh,
Okay,
theory of income and employment.
yeah, we will go through theory of income and employment. There's a weightage also given. So there is almost so it is for 8 marks, right?
No, I think theory of income and employment comes for more marks, which was
Okay.
I 1 second, I'm just looking at it. It is included in a 16 marks chapter. 16 marks.
Oh, it is included in the 16 marks. So it's included in microeconomic theory as well.
Yeah.
Okay.
So 8 plus 4,
Oh, 8
12.
plus 4, so 12 marks. Okay.
Yeah.
So there is a lot of, so in the question paper, we had given problems from, uh, I had made some of the questions from the syllabus, and some of the
Hmm.
questions were borrowed from AglaSem. So according to the
Hmm.
weightage, the marks for theory of income and employment was,
Yeah. Yeah, yeah. No, no. I had
so
calculated. We had
ninth
about
question was from theory of
we
income and
had about
employment,
12 marks in this because mention any no,
and
autonomous
even 12th,
consumption, 1 mark.
yeah. Yeah.
Where,
Margin
where-
propensity
where
also was 1 mark.
yeah, 2. And then there were 2 in this 4 markers also. The
Yeah,
demand, ex ante and ex post,
yes. So
aggregate
that was
supply,
the 4 marks. That was 6 marks. And was there
4, 4, 8, 10.
aggregate supply? Yeah, that was for 10. And in the last section, I think we didn't have any questions, right?
Yeah, so about 10 marks. I basically I got the gist of it. Like
Okay. Yeah, about
exam.
10 marks was given for that.
Yeah.
Yeah, other than that, so this material is very relevant. If it's possible, you just go through this material.
Yeah, yeah, I will go through it definitely.
So the 8 formulas and real GDP and nominal GDP also. We have solved it in the presentations as well with a numerical example for real and nominal GDP. And there's methods of calculating national income. using all the 8 formulas. You can just go through. So, what do we do in the next session? So, will we solve theory of income and employment?
Yeah, theory of income and employment once more.
Any other
So I'll
doubts in elasticity of demand
no, no.
and in
Even the
money and
numericals, I actually just got confused. I confused myself, which I think otherwise I should be able to do that.
yeah, it's just we need to know the formula, and we just,
Yeah.
when there's a price elasticity given, we can just add it in the formula. Like 1.2 was
Yeah.
given already, so
Yeah,
we
we
just
should have
needed
done.
to include that.
Yeah, we didn't do that. Correct. Good.
So, are there any doubts in money and banking, in balance of payments?
No. Those are more just have to remember, not so much
Okay.
so doubt. Just don't
So, are
remember
there any
them.
doubts in microeconomic theory under main market forms and perfect
No,
competition,
no,
monopolistic
no, no.
competition?
Those are I think those are also very easy. Just remember the features, right? Yeah.
And do we have any doubts in cost and revenue?
No.
They
But I
have,
need to go through cost and revenue analysis as well. I'll do that by tonight.
okay. And are there any doubts in production and production function and
No.
returns to scale? Yeah. And are
So
there doubts
Tamina,
in, demand and
yeah,
supply?
no. Demand and supply is the first four chapters. Demand, supply, utility are very clear to me. I just have to revise them.
Okay.
That's all.
And are there any doubts in national income and public
No,
finance?
no. These again. I just have to revise, and I just have to remember some keywords. Otherwise, I'm
Okay.
comfortable
So in
with this.
national income, they're just circular flow diagrams and these
Circular flow
formulas.
and yeah,
So we have
yeah.
gone through everything in the PowerPoint presentations for national income. Most of it we
Yeah.
have covered it in the syllabus.
Hmm.
So what kind of sample questions do you require to be solved in the next session?
And not sample questions. I'd just like to go through just the PowerPoints with you just once more of theory of income and employment.
Okay. And on Thursday, there'll be a question paper solved, right? Which will be given for evaluation.
Definitely. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if the question
Thursday.
paper like with you or should I have to prepare?
No. I'll get a sample question paper. Don't
Sure,
worry.
sure. You can just send it across to me. So
Definitely.
and on Thursday, is there an answer key for it or we have to evaluate
I
it?
think there is. I'll ask the teacher. She will give me the answer key as well.
Sure,
For sure.
okay. You can just share the answer key and the question paper as well.
Yeah.
We'll go through the sample question paper and we'll wrap up the sessions before the
Yeah.
exam. So,
Yeah.
how many sessions do you want on Wednesday, like on the 22nd?
22nd tomorrow, I will be okay with just one.
Okay,
On day after, I would like to keep the session on Thursday.
okay,
I will keep the session around 9 is what I would go for. Keep the
okay.
session around 9 and before that I'll solve the question paper.
9 in the morning or in the evening?
Evening.
So you want one session only, or do you want more sessions on
One
the Thursday,
session only.
23rd?
One session only.
One session, okay.
But which is one session or two based on how much time it takes us to evaluate the paper.
Yeah. So we'll
I just
have
want to
two
do the
sessions.
evaluation. Yeah. But can
So
we
we'll
start
have,
at 9 if you don't mind?
yeah, we can start at 9 and we can go on till 11
Yeah, okay. That's yeah.
if required. And the next session, it'll be just one session. If you want more sessions during the day, definitely you can. Because I'll be there all day for the next 2 days.
Oh,
So if you
good.
want any sessions more in the daytime also, you can just we can schedule it on Zoom. Yeah.
Good.
Because if there are any doubts in any specific concept, which will come through at when you're solving the problems, so we can schedule a session for it as well. So anytime during the day, I'll be free, and even during the evening as well. You can let me know if you require more sessions.
Yeah, sure. I'll let you.
Sure. So we will end the meeting right now, or do you want any
Yeah.
more concepts to be solved?
No. I have my accounts classes at
Okay,
9:30.
thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
And we'll have anything you can just let me know on email or
Sure. Definitely. Thank you.